Hi everyone, I'm Maxim from Formula ETS. This year in 2025, our team competed in the FSA EV Michigan competition, as well as the shootouts in Pittsburgh and Toronto. One partnership made a huge difference, Zintilon. They manufactured many of the critical components in our race car, which you can see right here. We're incredibly grateful for their support. Their contribution were vital to our performance. Formula ETS is a Formula student team based at École de Technologie Supérieure in Montreal, Canada.
What is Formula ETS?
Our team brings together students from mechanical, electrical, and many other engineering disciplines. We're proud to be one of the world's top Formula student teams, with achievements including the overall championship at Formula SAE Michigan 2023, second place at Altaria in Croatia in 2023, 4 consecutive wins at the Toronto Shootout, victories at the Pittsburgh Shootout in 2022 and 2024, and a second place finish this year at Pittsburgh and Toronto. The racing cars we designed are a testament to our success and innovation, time and time again. Behind every innovation, two things remain constant: reliability and performance. One of my personal highlights was developing our own brake calipers. In racing, a dependable car isn't just about winning, it's about driver safety. When we connected with Zintilon, it was clear they shared our ambition. They delivered rapid manufacturing and exceptional quality, giving us the testing time and reliability we needed.
Hi guys, I'm Thomas, and I'll walk you through what we look for in race car parts and explain why quality is non-negotiable. First, safety. Our cars face extreme forces, and quality parts withstand those stresses and help prevent accidents. For instance, a high-performance brake system is essential for safe and quick stops. Second, performance. We use lightweight parts like a carbon fiber monocoque and CNC machine aluminum components to reduce the weight of our vehicle. Third, reliability. Top quality parts fail less often, which is crucial in endurance events like our 22-kilometer race where every lap is pushed to the limit. Zintilon produce essential parts like our dampers and rockers, which connect the wheels to the suspension and transfer forces to the dampers. These were vital to a smooth and responsive suspension system. So why did we choose Zintilon for CNC machining? Well, their reputation in Europe and North America stood out, highlighted by excellent reviews and notably fast production times. When the parts arrived, we were impressed by how smooth and quick the delivery process was. The quality exceeded our expectations, tight tolerances, and flawless surface finishes. So much so that we were excited to showcase them in a design judging event. Their sales team provided quick feedback, and everyone we worked with was friendly and helpful. Thanks to their in-house factories, parts were manufactured efficiently without delays. We're thrilled to have Zintilon as a partner and look forward to continuing our collaboration to achieve even more in the future. Thank you, Zintilon. None of this would have been possible without you.